What is up, YouTube? This is Skunk72 coming at you from hot as balls, Southern California. That nice, mild summer that we're having is gone, and summer is here with a freaking vengeance right now. It's been over 100 degrees every day for about the past week, and it's supposed to continue being right around 100 degrees for the next week. So for the foreseeable future, it's gonna suck here. The beach where I used to live in Ventura, California, has been chilling at about 70. God, I want to move back. So I'm gonna be trying something new today. I got a cool email from Magix, which is a company that makes Vegas Pro 16, which is video editing software that I use. They have a program called SoundForge, which is specifically for audio editing. So I went ahead and downloaded it. I got the free trial going on right now, but if I decide I like it, it'll be $59.99, I believe, because I'm already a Magix customer, so I get a little bit of a discount. So I've already had a chance to mess around with it a little bit, and I just kind of took some old audio from old Tascam recordings, messed around with it a little bit, and I think I like it. And I was able to really do some cool stuff with the audio, make it a lot more clear, make it sound a lot better than it ever has before. So I will be doing that with this video, and hopefully that will work out. So today I had to come in for 1 hour on my day off for training. Doesn't that just piss you off? 1 freaking hour I had to commute to work. So we got that all done and over with. See how much of a ride I end up going on. Just being that it's hot, I may not stay out too long. So for today's topic, I'm going to be talking about some stupidity. Serious freaking stupidity. Yeah, I know this started off as a total joke, but this whole, let's storm Area 51 because I can't stop all of us. Like I said, whoever came up with this, I think it was meant to be a total joke, but there's like people that have jumped on board with this, and they're totally serious about doing this. So let's think about this for just a second, okay? There's 1 million people, I think, is what it's been up to. Maybe it might be up to 2 million by now. But let's say 100,000 of those show up. So let's think about 100,000 people storming a military base. Seriously, 100,000 people are going to try and storm a military base. What do they think is going to happen? As far as the way I see it, that's an act of war. This right here is the last thing that any of these people are going to see. After that happens, hopefully there'll be some smart ones that turn and go the other way. That would be the only bright thing that they did that day, is if they turn around and go after a few people get mowed down. Seriously, I don't know what this country is coming to and what people are thinking sometimes. So then, how bad do you think after this? After a few people get mowed down and those smart ones turn and run away, there's going to be a major public outcry. Why did the stupid people get shot? You made the stupid decision yourself to get shot. Seriously, it's a military base. You're not allowed to just walk on there. It's a national security issue. So now that I'm on the freeway and there's going to be absolutely nothing worth looking at, I'm going to leave you with one last thought. It's going to be another stupid comment that came up the other day. This one wasn't on my channel. This was on a Facebook group for Harley Dynas. So somebody asked on the group, hey, I'm looking to get a new seat. I don't like my stock seat on my bike. It's very uncomfortable, which I can believe. So the very first comment that came from that was, oh great, here comes all the Saddlemen fanboys. Now, this comment really cracked me up because What is wrong with somebody asking a question and asking for a recommendation, and me being the owner of a settlement seat that I absolutely love? Great seat. Just as comfortable as my Harley Sundowner seat was, but way better looking. Does that make me a fanboy because I'm going to tell the guy, hey, I bought this seat and I love it? Does that make me a fanboy? Fine. I guess I'm a settlement fanboy then. Whatever, dude. I don't know why, but I don't know how it goes on the other Harley pages on like Facebook and stuff. But the Dyna page, it is just littered with assholes. You can't ask a simple question on there without being attacked by some of these dicks. I don't know, does that make you feel better about yourself? To be a total ass like that and pick on somebody that's trying to learn? It's just not cool. Just fucking answer the goddamn question. I actually helped a guy out who was in a motorcycle club. He asked how I put my cams in. More specifically, how I got the old push rods out without taking the heads off. And I told him I did it with bolt cutters. Just cut them, pull them out, then you put the adjustables in, you're fine. He had never heard of this before, and this guy was in a club. I didn't have a problem with helping him out. He didn't know, I did. I helped him. That's just the way it goes. I've done videos on how to change your own oil on a Harley, or how to change all your fluids. It's to help people. I'm not going to be a dick when people have a question. So anyway, with that, I'm going to go ahead and cut this again because I'm on the freeway and this is not exciting at all. So, Riverside down, shine set up, and I'm out.